In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Loom download video option. If you share Loom recordings and want to keep tighter control over where your content goes, disabling downloads is a quick way to remove that save button for your viewers. I'll walk you through it clearly and share a few tips to help you avoid common hiccups. First, head to Loom in your browser and sign in. Open the specific video you want to protect. You can do this from your library by clicking the video's thumbnail to load its watch page. Give the page a second to fully load. You'll know you're in the right place when you can play the video and see the share controls on the right or top of the screen. Next, look for the controls labeled Settings or Share Settings. Depending on your interface, you might see a gear icon or you might see a share button that opens a panel on the right. Either option works for what we need. Click it to open the video's configuration panel. Inside that panel, locate the section related to downloads. It may appear as download options, or it might live under a broader category like viewer permissions or privacy, depending on your plan and interface updates. You're looking for the toggle that says allow viewers to download. Now switch that toggle off. As soon as you do, Loom removes the download button for anyone who can view your video. There's usually no separate save button here. The change applies instantly. You can close the panel and continue working or refresh the watch page if you want to visually confirm that the download control is gone. A few quick notes to help you get the most from this setting. This change applies to the video you're currently editing, so repeat the same steps on any other recordings where you want downloads disabled. If you share your video via a Loom link or embed it elsewhere, viewers will still be unable to download once this toggle is off. Also, keep in mind that while this prevents a direct download, it can't stop someone from recording their screen, so avoid posting highly sensitive information publicly. If you don't see the download option, double check that you open the video's settings or share settings and that you have edit access to the recording. The wording and placement can vary slightly with updates, but the control is there for most individual videos. And that's it. By turning off allow viewers to download, you keep your Loom content streamable without giving viewers a built-in way to save a copy.